Welcome to Tripura, one of the 7 sister states in India, renowned for its rubber, bamboo, and tea plantations. Strategically positioned in the challenging terrain of Baramura field, our high-tech drilling rigs, including workover rigs in Konaban, Kovai, RK Nagar Yard, and Limbuchera, play a pivotal role in sustaining high output levels and facilitating record-breaking gas production in this region. These rigs, featuring advanced engineering excellence, contribute significantly to India's oil and gas production surge amid rising prices, aligning seamlessly with the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives.